Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix high ping in Valorant. To fix high ping in Valorant, you could use the weird connection close background app, select the nearest server, restart the router or update as well. First of all, let us understand what is actually high ping. Ping in simple term is the time it takes for your device to send a signal to the game server and get a response back. It's measured in milliseconds. The lower your ping, the faster your connections, which is exactly what you want the fast-paced shooter like Valorant. So what you want to do is to fix it so you could try optimizing your internet connection. Your internet connection plays the biggest role in the ping. So you want to come to the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right. And when you go to this section, you want to click on Wi-Fi. Make sure to recycle Wi-Fi. Make sure to repower this. Make sure to toggle the button that is turned off. And once again, reconnect, and you could also try repairing it. That should be able to fix. So likewise, the other thing you also want to do is close the background running app. So right click on the mouse at the bottom of the screen, go to Task Manager. Here you could locate any of these background application which is running. You could right click and click on End Task and do the same procedure for different application. That should be able to fix. The other thing you also want to do is make sure to select the right server, or you could also try restarting your router or update the network drivers as well. If the issue still persists on, what you want to do is you simply want to uninstall Valorant from your device and then reinstall it at the same time restart your device. That is going to help you out. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.